Hey there, tech enthusiasts! Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for in-depth reviews on the latest and greatest tech gadgets. I'm your host, and today, we're diving into the world of high-speed Wi-Fi with the NETGEAR AC1900 Wi-Fi USB 3.0 adapter. Are you tired of slow internet speeds and laggy connections on your laptop or desktop? Well, say hello to the NETGEAR AC1900 Wi-Fi USB 3.0 adapter, the ultimate solution to supercharge your Wi-Fi experience. Let's start with the most exciting part, the speed. This adapter delivers AC1900 Wi-Fi speeds, offering up to 600 megabits per second on the 2.4 GHz band and a blazing 1300 megabits per second on the 5 GHz band. Whether you're streaming, gaming, or simply browsing, this adapter ensures that your connection is lightning fast and lag-free. One of the standout features of the NETGEAR AC1900 is its dual-band capability. It's like having two Wi-Fi adapters in one. You can connect to both 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz networks, which means faster connections and more Wi-Fi networks to choose from. No more battling with crowded channels or slow connections. Setting up this adapter is a breeze. Just plug it into a USB 3.0 port on your laptop or desktop, and you're good to go. It's compatible with Microsoft Windows 7, 8, 10 and Mac OS X 10.8.3 or later. Plus, it's backward compatible with USB 2.0 for added convenience. The NETGEAR AC1900 doesn't play favorites when it comes to operating systems. Whether you're a Windows user or a Mac enthusiast, this adapter has you covered. You can even use the built-in Windows configuration tool to connect to Wi-Fi networks seamlessly. Ever wondered how to get more bandwidth capacity for downloading and uploading data? Well, wonder no more. This adapter features a 3x4 MIMO design, which means it can handle more data simultaneously. That translates to faster speeds and smoother online experiences. Worried that your existing Wi-Fi router won't play nice with this adapter? Don't be. The NETGEAR AC1900 is designed to work with any Wi-Fi router, ensuring compatibility with your current setup. We've talked about speed, but let's emphasize it once more. This adapter delivers extreme Wi-Fi speed with AC1900. It's like having a high-speed expressway for your data, ensuring that you get the fastest and most reliable connection possible. To top it all off, this adapter features USB 3.0 connectivity for faster access. Whether you're streaming HD videos, engaging in online gaming, or just browsing the web, you'll notice a significant improvement in network speeds. The NETGEAR AC1900 also includes explicit beamforming plus technology, which boosts speed, range, and reliability of your Wi-Fi connections. Say goodbye to dead zones and hello to a stronger and more reliable signal. Need flexibility in placing your adapter? No problem. This adapter comes with a magnetic cradle, allowing you to easily mount it on a metal surface for optimal signal reception. It's all about convenience. Installing this adapter is a breeze with the NETGEAR Genie app. It makes the setup process almost effortless, and you can even monitor, connect, and control your home network with ease. In conclusion, the NETGEAR AC1900 Wi-Fi USB 3.0 adapter is a game-changer for anyone looking to supercharge their Wi-Fi speeds. Whether you're working from home, gaming, or streaming your favorite content, this adapter ensures a fast and reliable connection. If you found this review helpful and want to stay updated on the latest tech products, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to Product Critique. Have any questions or thoughts on this adapter? Feel free to drop them in the comments below. Until next time, stay connected and stay tuned for more exciting tech content.